Benjamin Diokno, born March 31, 1948, is a Filipino economist who currently serves as one of the 6 members of the Monetary Board of the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, which conducts the country's monetary policy and supervises its financial system. From 2020 to 2021, during the COVID-19 pandemic, Diokno became the highest-paid public officer in the Philippines. Diokno previously served as Secretary of Budget and Management under President Joseph Estrada from 1998 to 2001 and under President Rodrigo Duterte from 2016 to 2019. He also served as the governor of the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas and the chairman of its monetary board, as well as ex officio chairman of the Anti-Money Laundering Council from 2019 to 2022 under President Duterte. Diokno is the son of Talenos Leodegario Badillo Diokno and Loretta Estoista, Leodegario's second wife after the passing of his first spouse. Benjamin Diokno was born on March 31, 1948, in Tal, Batangas. His oldest brother, Bayani Diokno, became a member of the U.S. Navy for nearly 3 decades. His other siblings are Lucilo, Felipe, Emilio, Lydia, Leonor, Amada, and Edu Vigis. Leodegario Diokno was the son of Gregorio Diokno and grandson of Angel Diokno. The patriarch of the Taleno surname Diokno is the second cousin of attorney Jose Manuel Chel Diokno of the Free Legal Assistance Group FLAG, and is 6 degrees apart from the attorney son, Jose W. Diokno, who is attorney Chel Diokno's father and is considered as the father of human rights. Though they are under the large Diokno family that hails from Tal, the main Diokno branch represented by Chel ran against the Duterte administration in the 2019 and 2022 Senate election. The administration Benjamin Diokno served. Benjamin Diokno finished his bachelor's degree in a Bachelor of Arts program in Public Administration from the University of the Philippines, Diliman in 1968, and earned his master's degree in Public Administration 1970 and Economics 1974 from the same university. Diokno was later awarded an honorary degree from UP. He also holds a Master of Arts in Political Economy, 1976, from the Johns Hopkins University in Baltimore, Maryland, USA, and a Ph.D. in Economics, 1981, from the Maxwell School of Citizenship and Public Affairs, Syracuse University in Syracuse, New York, USA. His dissertation, Public Sector Resource Mobilization Through Local Public Enterprises in Developing Countries. Issues, practices, and case studies looked at using local public enterprise as alternative means of mobilizing funds for public purposes. Secretary of Budget and Management 2016 to 2019, Diokno intended to pursue an expansionary fiscal policy to finance investments in human capital development and public infrastructure. In addition, he seeks for the passage of a budget reform bill to ensure the compliance of future budgets with the pertinent laws of the land. He also aims to reorganize and professionalize the bureaucracy with a government right-sizing act. Governor of the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas 2019-2022, President Duterte appointed Diokno as the fifth governor of the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas BSP, of which he will finish the unexpired term of his late predecessor, Nestor Espinilla Jr., which was supposed to end in July 2023. Secretary of Finance 2022-2024, then President-elect Bongbong Marcos announced that he would nominate Diokno as the next finance secretary in his incoming administration, replacing Diokno in the role of the governor of BSP with Felipe Medalla, who will finish Diokno's unexpired term. Diokno subsequently took his oath at the Malacagang Palace on June 30, 2022, following the inauguration of the former as president. On January 12, 2024, Diokno was succeeded by Batangas 6th District Representative and Deputy Speaker Ralph Recto as the Finance Secretary, after the latter was appointed by President Marcos on January 11th, with Recto taking the oath of office the next day. Monetary Board member of the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, President Marcos subsequently appointed Diokno as one of the 6 members of the Monetary Board of the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, replacing Peter B. Favila in the position. Post-political life, Diokno is a professor emeritus of the School of Economics of the University of the Philippines, Diliman. He served as fiscal advisor to the Philippine Senate. He also served as chairman and CEO of the Philippine National Oil Company PNOC and chairman of the Local Water Utilities Administration. He was also chairman of the Board of Trustees of the Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Maynila. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 vlogs.